Hey friends, and I'm Safir, and today in this video we will learn how to evaluate expressions. So let's start. So the first step and thing to do when evaluating expressions, first step, let me just write this down. First step, what we need to do is to substitute. And how and what does it mean? It means to replace a variable with a given number. And after we do that, second, we just simply solve our equation. So let's try it with the example. So evaluate if y equals to 4. And so first one, 32 plus y. So all we do first is we substitute, right? So replace the variable, so which is y, with a given number, and it says here y equals to 4. So we replace y with 4. So now our equation becomes 32 plus 4. So now second step, we can just simply solve. So 32 plus 4 equals to 36, and that's it. It's that simple. Let's try it with another one. Let's go 6y. Before we do this one, let me just give you a little tip here, which is when there is a variable, so which is a letter y next to a number, here write together without any math equations, plus, minus, division, multiplication, we will know that this automatically means 6 times y. Okay, so if two number and letter are together, it means that automatically it means 6 times y. So 6y equals to 6 times y. So now we know what it means. We have learned, so 6 times y. We can now replace the variable and just solve our equation. So y, it equals to 4. So replace 4, 6 times 4 equals to 24. And yes, that's it. So now let's try a few more, just a bit harder ones. So evaluate if y equals to 10 and if z equals to 9. Okay, not 9, 7. So 3y plus z. Let's try it. Remember from our last one, we learned that if a number and a variable are together, it means that it's times. So here it literally means 3 times y plus z. So now let's substitute. Y equals to 10. So we erase y and write 10 in its place. And plus z. Z or z here equals to 7. So we replace z and we write 7. So now our equation becomes 3 times 10 plus 7. So first we do multiplication. So 3 times 10, which equals to 30. And then we just simply add 7, which equals to 37. See, it's that easy. Let's try another one. 4 plus 14 divide z. So first, let's substitute. So z equals to 7. So we erase z and write 7. So now the equation is 4 plus 14 divide 7. And first we do division. So 14 divide 7 equals to 2. And then we just simply add 4, which equals to 6. And yes, that's it, friends. So easy, right? So now let's recap what we have done. So first, when we evaluate an expression, we first substitute, which means to replace a variable or the variable with a given number. And then second step, which is to just simply solve. So let's use this equation here that we done previously. So first we replaced or substituted. So y, we found y in the equation, and then there was no y, sorry, but there was a 7, which was z here, and we replaced it and we got 7. And then after we done all our substitution, we just simply solved as seen here. And yes, that's it for today, friends, and bye, and I'll see you next time.